Hi everyone, this is Andy with Blungo.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the Gmail view. Let's start. Okay, I'm here in my Gmail account and we're going to customize the view as well as some other things that I'm going to show you towards the end. To change how we see our emails, let's click up here in settings, and these are the quick settings right here in this panel. In density, we can change the way we see our emails. I'm using the default view that shows any attached files. We can click on comfortable and those files are not going to be shown anymore, or even on compact, which will make everything smaller so you can see more emails on your list. On theme, you can change the way Gmail looks. Just click on any of the themes available to change it, or if you want to see more themes, click on view all. On inbox type, you can change how your emails behave. Right now I have the default on, so if I click on customize, I can add or remove tabs in this window. The tabs automatically organize emails based on the content. Let's click on settings again and go back to inbox type. Important first will organize all the important emails on the top and everything else on the bottom. Unread first will show all the emails that are unread on the top and the rest of the emails on the bottom. Start first will show all the start emails on the top and other emails on the bottom. Priority inbox is a mixture between important first and start first. And finally, we have multiple inboxes in case you have multiple Gmail accounts that you would like to combine all in one window. On reading pane, we have no split, right of inbox, or below. So if I click on this one, for example, it's going to show this new window that is going to show me the content of the email. So if I open an email, I can see the content of it right there. And opening another one will show the content there. If I click on below inbox, it's going to show the content of the email below, right here. For now, I'm going to keep it on no split. And finally, we have email threading. It says conversation view and it's checked, meaning that all the emails that have the same subject are going to be grouped together like a conversation. You can turn that off unchecking that box. I just changed my settings like they were before. Now let's see some advanced tips. In this panel, click on see all settings and now go to advanced. And here we can enable this one, auto advance, which will advance the email every time we archive, delete, or mute a conversation. And I'm going to show you what it does in a second. And we can also enable the unread message icon. This will show how many emails we have unread on Gmail. Now if I click on save changes, it's going to reload the page. And now you can see here on this icon at the top that it says 0, meaning that I don't have any unread messages. But if I get any emails, the number is going to change. Now let's see what the auto advance setting does. I'm going to open an email. And then if I archive it, it's going to move to the next email automatically instead of going back to the inbox. This can save you some time if you get a lot of emails on a daily basis and you have to go through all of them. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I also have other videos about Gmail in this channel, so feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching.